waterfall na gachibi mi phone yi gauma because manu dashta they are really enjoying down. Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's blazing hot outside today. I feel like I'm literally getting cooked. But the good thing is I've got some exciting news to share. So today I'm heading out to visit the famous Twin Waterfall. I know some of you have already been there, but this is for the people who haven't been there and for myself as well, because it's been a while for me as well. Heard that waterfall has soared a lot thanks to the rain over the past few days here, and it's going to be really a spectacular experience. Shout out to Zhemgang department for inviting me. Let's explore this adventure together. Guys, it's really hot already. Probably you are able to see them. It's super hot today weather. But can't wait to reach waterfall. That to be watching, waiting for Madam Tashi. So that I'm the boy I see. So once you reach the waterfall, you'll feel an irresistible urge to stay here forever, especially because of the cool, refreshing breeze. It's so different from the heat down in Panbang and Zhemgang. So zani thuni disu gara zatha ve daven sachi tree thama waterfall gi thama jogo re. So waterfall na gachibi mi thoni gauma because manu dashta they are really enjoying down over there. So I'm also going to go down over there and enjoy. What's up, Zhemgang? 아님지기 छोड़तीन डूबी ना तने Okay, so Mali stones भी हो जिन गरीमजिगी तीखे को या था ओला
촉시 3주일로 쌍게 쫀대대 거라기 공기 딘딘딘딘 또다로 미도레리 샤디 오이티는 말라 아니 메토디 다 낭바상기 비기 때문에 야기 조드리면에 낭바상기 비기 때문에 앞으로 룩비치 누도 비기 베베 라는 날에 같이 그리바디도 내셔요나 초르된 날에 초르된 남바 개듯이 애도 초르된로 장축 초르된로 양대 초르된로 내셔요나 앞으로 찔당기 녹색
Everyone tends to enjoy themselves at the base of the waterfall, but I was curious to see what's actually at the top. I've even heard people saying there's a DT who actually watches over this magnificent waterfall. Luckily, during the last collaboration project with Department of Labor, I got this drone footage taken by Mr. Doji Duba from Department of Forest. So let's take a look at what's up there. So I originally assumed the top of the waterfall would be flat, but it turns out to be quite different, you know. So what's that black spot? Probably that's where the Chengalapchim, where DT resides. Why? Even I'm quite surprised to see. As also very awesome. So So anyway, today has been a wonderful day, guys, here at the waterfall. If you haven't visited yet, make sure to come at least once. Maybe in the next 5 to 10 years, there might be cafes and other great spots to relax and enjoy the scenery even more. And with that, I'm wrapping up today's vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts and suggestions for further improvement. So yeah, see you next time in my next vlog, guys. Tata.